Can we talk about how you can make your CarPlay even better? Like by making it wireless and adding some TV streaming options. Before I tell you about these devices, if you want to keep up to date with the latest Apple news, consider hitting that subscribe button. With me, I have 3 CarPlay accessories from Ottocast, who is sponsoring this video. But despite that, I will give you my honest opinion on these, as always. So let's walk through them, and I'm going to save my favorite for last. First, we have the one that's most universal, which is the Ottocast CarPlay clip. What I love about this is that there are quite a few basic wireless CarPlay adapters. Ottocast makes those too. This adds extra functionality to make it more unique. So it does clip directly to your vent, which is more convenient than dangling from the USB port. The connection is quite secure and the vent mount is very adjustable. It can show the album art of your music or act as a digital photo frame. If you like those options, great. My personal favorite is a digital alarm clock. It's a little more simple and matches my taste. I'm not big on the photo frames and stuff. Let me know down below which of these options you like most. This one also includes a fragrance diffuser. So the citrusy one is included in the box, but there are others to choose from. The back twists off and you put in the refills that vent 360 degrees around the back. And then that smell is moved around your car thanks to the air vents. And yeah, of course, it also turns your wired CarPlay into wireless. So you just hop in the car, your CarPlay interface automatically appears. It's the best, especially when paired with like a magnetic car charger. You just hop in and go. With all these adapters, that's all there is to it. You get in the car, start the car, and CarPlay automatically connects. The next one is the Ottocast Play2Video Pro. Again, we're talking multi-function devices here. So you get wireless CarPlay, but also built-in streaming apps. It natively supports YouTube, Netflix, IPTV, and more. Seamlessly move from CarPlay to streaming and back again. It gives you this handy dashboard where you can see all the apps or move to the CarPlay UI. If you want to go one box that kind of does it all, this is the one that I'd go with. Finally, and this one is seriously my favorite, we've got the Car TV Mate, which not only gives you wireless CarPlay in your vehicle, but also gives you an HDMI port. You plug this in, like the other adapters, and set up your wireless CarPlay. But on its side is a full-size HDMI port, plus a USB 2.0 port. That lets you connect any HDMI device, like a Firestick, Apple TV, or even your PlayStation 5. You may have to jump through a few hoops to get networking to work if you need to stream something or go online, but this is so cool. Something like a Firestick is already USB powered, so you can easily just run it off the USB port, all on the Ottocast Car TV Mate. It's also beyond easy to move between your HDMI input and your wireless CarPlay or back again in just a couple taps. I know not everyone is going to see the need to turn their infotainment system into a video console. So this is more niche, but there's very little like it out there. The other day we went to the drive-in movies, and while we waited for it to get dark, we played games in the car. And fun fact, since the new iPhones also have USB-C, you can easily get a USB-C to HDMI cable and plug your phone straight in. Near it, watch video, stream sports games, play games, and more. I now keep one of these USB-C to HDMI cables in my car for just this reason. It supports dual band Wi-Fi AC and video up to 2K. What makes all of these devices even better is the Autopilot app. Yes, it does act as a marketplace to buy more Ottocast products, but it also is used to update these products. You can see new features, new streaming apps, and more without having to buy a new adapter. These adapters support 98% of car models, including my Jeep. You can check compatibility on their website, but chances are, if you have wired CarPlay, these will be supported. I can honestly say that once I switched to wireless CarPlay, there was no going back. It seems small, but it makes a big difference. Even my wife insisted that we get a wireless adapter for her car. Like, it was non-negotiable. It was wireless CarPlay or we're getting a wireless adapter. If you want to try any of these out, Ottocast was nice enough to offer 15% off any purchases over $50 when you use promo code Apple15, which is also listed down below in the description and pinned in the comments. There's links there too for all of these exact products that I tried in this video. Thanks again to Ottocast for sponsoring the channel. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next video.